What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's day 2 of the Mogollon Rim trip, and we're going on another little hike here up to the rim. Gonna check out the view, maybe set up the hammocks again. So we just got done building a bushcraft shelter, so if you haven't seen that video yet, go check that out because it turned out pretty cool. Just a fun little build, not really a practical survival shelter, but it was fun. And if you haven't seen day 1 of this trip, definitely go check that out because that might be one of the best videos I've made. And we did a lot and we got some really great views, some cool shots in that video, so definitely go check that out. Speaking of good views, got this view right here behind us right now. Yeah, really beautiful up here as always, and we're just gonna hike around a little bit. No real plan right now, but we're gonna see what we can find up here. One thing that's kind of interesting to me about this area, you know, as beautiful as it is that there's nobody else ever up here. You know, we see some campfires here and there, we see some different horse tracks, things like that, evidence of other people camping up here, but I've come up here I think 4 times now, and in all those trips I've only seen one other person. So just kind of interesting, and it almost feels like this is kind of a hidden gem up here that people should maybe appreciate a little more, because it's a really great area. The weather's nice up here, obviously the views are beautiful up here, so just a really great area, and it'd be cool if people appreciated it more. Well, this is definitely where all the cows up here come to hang out. Wow. Yeah, that's a lot. All right, so we hiked across a pretty wide valley back there, a lot of thorny bushes, so not so fun to cross, but now we are trying to get to the edge of this cliff up here. This might be a little difficult to hike across, but hopefully the view will be worth it. So this is pretty interesting. Somebody put a shrine out here. Not really sure what it's for, but it's kind of cool. All right, we're mostly across this cliff now. Obviously that was not the easiest path to cross back there with all those thorny bushes and this pretty rocky area. Now we're coming up on the end here, and this is really interesting. Somebody built something up here. pretty windy up here, so I don't know how well you guys can hear me, but if you look behind me, this is pretty cool. Somebody built this stone oven up here right on the edge of the cliff. Because as we were coming up here, we were noticing all these long flat rocks that are up here on this cliff, and they're not really in the other areas that we've been camping in. So we did notice those, and it was just cool to kind of come up here and see what somebody built with all of them. This view never gets old. So we were just hiking back to our camp, and we just came across this watering hole randomly out here in the forest, so it's pretty cool. Alright guys, we came back to camp, made a campfire, made some food, and now we're probably going to call it a day. If you enjoyed watching, please make sure you like the video and go down and subscribe for more content. I got a lot more content coming pretty soon. Thanks for watching.